Black cement threes, true blue threes. Somehow we landed here. The reimagined Jordan threes. I don't know what all the fuss about. My pair looks straight. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I really appreciate you guys, man. And I was supposed to do this video on the Jordan 3 reimagined joints, but I know it was going to be tons of them out there on YouTube. And it's something about doing a review on a sneaker that people can't get. I know that's like a flex for people. Like, I do a lot of early reviews, but I hate to really review a sneaker that only had one release and the release was bad, but we here, man, and I got a job to do, so I'm going to do it. Whenever a Jordan 3 or 5, I think 4 too, has that Nike Air on the back, it's an automatic cop for me. And I ain't even got to wait for the review. The review is going to come if it has Nike Air on the back. So that was the main reason why this was a must-have for me. A lot of people been having problems with the cement look. Mine are the same across the board. I'll show you up close video of that. But my cement is the same on both sides. My man sent me a pair he got from Sneakers app, and it looked like two different shoes. That's exactly what he told me in the text. Yo, bro, it looks like two different shoes. But I don't know, man. I'm still think that these go way more harder than these, but I mean, it's a toss-up. If you like threes better, you're definitely gonna go with these. I'm a one guy, and I feel like the Lost and Founds are a little better, but the Lost and Founds have started something that I don't think Jordan Brand's never gonna look back on. So without further ado, man, let's unbox these. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So just like the Lost and Found joints, I don't know if y'all can see them right there. Right there. You see it? You get that box that looks like it's been sitting and stacked up for years. This one, I feel like they did it a little more subtle. Like, this kind of actually looks like it's been sitting. I feel like the Lost and Found, you kind of could tell that it was, like, you know, designed that way. But this one, if you look real close, man, it looks like it's been sitting and been scratched and stuff of that nature. But that's all over. On the bottom, you have black elephant print. You usually see gray elephant print, but you get the black elephant print on there. Nike Air logo there. Jordan Man logo there. All the bells and whistles at the bottom. And you flip. Do you flip open? Yeah. When you take off the lid, how about that? The inside also has that red old vintage look. Then you get, I should show you the other side. Then you get gray elephant print tissue paper. And I know I seen something else in here. Maybe it fell. Here we go. You get a little booklet. Now, I'm not sure what the booklet is entitled. Let's look through it. So when you open this up, it has English, France, a lot of languages, and it has like, I guess the insole or outsole of the sneaker and how it's made. So your Lost and Founds didn't come with these. They came with a receipt. This one comes with a booklet, old school OG style. Boom. And here's the left foot of the Jordan 3 reimagined joints. Now, just looking at it from eye to eye, it looks like the Justin Timberlake joints that he debuted on the Super Bowl. I think they were called the free throw line. That's the kind of vibe I get from just looking at it. But I do see plushness of leather. Boom. Here we go right here. Get that to focus. Look at it, guys. It looked like a soft, white, couch. Let's get this tag out the way. Very, very plushed, guys. This is a plush sneaker, guys. Very, very plush. They go the we at the back, right? They go the cement elephant print look. I like the gray with the black on top, man. I like it. Boom, you get to the back. Nike Air on the booty. White tab, but if you look at the tab, it's meant to look a little yellow to make it look vintage. So you get kind of like an off-white, cell white look there. But I can't get over this leather, guys. Look at the leather. Look at the tumbleness of this leather. The cement creeps back in around the toes. The plush leather. Look at the toe box, guys. It's so soft. I'm not BSing you guys. This is soft leather. You got red hits on the eyelids, and you got white shoelaces. I'm going to look to see if they come with different kinds of shoelaces, but for now, we only got the white. And I'm not going to lie, guys. I'm not digging the white. I think you need to put a black pair in here or a red pair. Speaking of red, your Jordan Jumpman logo on the tongue is red. Soft inside, just like a Jordan 3 always is. The inside is red. No shoe tree, guys. You got red insoles, guys. Red insoles, just like the True Blues back in the days. Black Nike logo in. The sneaker's predominantly white. You do get black hits at the bottom. With a lot of gray, but it's mostly white in the sneaker. I love the Nike Air on the back, guys. It doesn't really give me vintage vibes like the trophy rooms, like the Lost and Founds. I mean, this is vintage and yellowed out a little bit, but it looks like a sneaker that just came out in the year 2023. It doesn't give me that much vintage vibes. This is a retro Nike tag. This is retro back in the day, so I'll give it to him here. That was the left. Here is the right shoe. 360 for the camera. Same tumbledness, guys. And like I told y'all, my pair is... Wait, hold on. Does it connect? Yeah, my pair looks the same, guys. My pair looks the same, man. I don't really see no difference like others. I have seen those videos and pictures, so I know they're not just coming out with them out of the blue. But my pair seems to connect. Everything looks the same. Yes, sir. So that's just a quick review on the Jordan 3 Reimagined joints. I know there's a lot of them out there, but who gonna do it like me, man? I do got a How to Style coming real soon, but I just wanted to break down the sneaker in whole before I give y'all fire to rock with them. Again, the Lost and Founds is #1 for me. It's something about the first to do something. But I really like these Jordan 3 Reimagineds. But I feel like if you own the free throw lines, or if you're lucky enough like me to still own the True Blues from back in the days, or the cement joints that we got like maybe 3-4 years ago, I don't see the rush to go out and get this sneaker, especially when we only got that one release that day. I know a lot of people waiting for restocks. That's why Goat and StockX, the sneaker could be caught for about $280 to $300 depending on size, because people really feel like it's a restock coming, like they feel like it's still a restock on the Lost and Founds here. And I don't think no restock is coming, guys. I'm honest with you. Every other Jordan release we got this year, you can walk in the mall right now and pick it up. You can't do that with these two sneakers. That should tell you something. I just seen Jordan 3 Iris release 6 days in a row. So you got to know the difference in a release, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.